Alright guys, welcome to the November update of the Waikato Sheds build of the mighty show shed office. Got Shane, our ops manager, and Mark, shed builder here.
G'day.
Yeah, let's just have a couple of look at a few things here. Just yesterday Mark's been installing the downpipes that we've got on there. Talk us through what's happened over here, Mark.
Well, if you have a look around here, what we've done is gone with the 100mm downpipes because this is a really big roof. It's catching a lot of water, so we want to take that all the way. So what we've done is got them in white, and we've painted them, done a process where we've put on a edge primer and then painted them in the flax pod colour that the building is, and they look fantastic. We've given them a couple of coats, we've fitted them, then we're going to give them one last coat just to get them looking absolutely perfect. So that's just one of the things we can offer, and yeah, just working so well. And then we've got a few other things going on in the garden out the front as well.
Alright, let's come on over. Alright boys, what do we got going on here?
Hey guys, just here we've laid a weed mat around the concrete of the building, and now we're laying a bit of mulch on top. Around here there's going to be some hedges and some grasses coming in here, which will really help contrast to this nice black mulch.
Excellent, great work boys. Keep it up. Yeah, we got these boys are working on their summer holidays from high school and uni, so it's good to get them started young and working hard. Alright Shane, should we take us through a tour of the shed here?
Alright, so it was a big day yesterday. We finally got to move in, get all our furniture and things in here. Here we are. We've partially sort of moved into one side, so now we've emptied out our old office and we can start dismantling it and starting to finish off that part of it. But yeah, we're all in. We've got a nice polished concrete. Looks pretty amazing. So this is our sort of guest area. The customers will come in, coffee station, and then meet our lovely team all off to the side here in the offices.
Yeah, we can just see our team over here. So just in the meet and greet room. So give us a wave, team. Enjoying a coffee. So that's it.
Hard at work.
Hard at work, avoiding being in my videos, but you know, I twist arms all over the show. Let's have a look down here what we're up to. Cool, so 2 months ago we were here with Paul and we were walking through it all and that. And so now it's awesome to see that we've got the offices all done on that side. Looking fantastic. We've had the carpet tile people in here, put in the carpet tiles, Crestline have put in the furniture, the lead have moved in our photocopier. So it's all looking fantastic. We're going to be tearing down the old fruit shop over the next week and then finishing off our lunchroom and outdoor area out there. So I'm pretty excited to see that happen. Yeah, it's going to be great.
And next week we're going to fire up the HVAC as well, which is a big moment. Make it nice and cool in the summer and cosy in the winter.
Yeah, it looks awesome. Comfort Group out of Thames has done that one for us, and they've done a fantastic job. So follow us through and we'll go into the workshop out the back and have a look at what's going on out here. Ian from DBS Electrical. What are you up to, Ian? What's going on over here?
Just finishing a little bit of the last of the lighting controls, getting the daylight sensor going, finishing touches, cleaning up the board. It's almost ready to go.
Yeah. How many Ks of wiring do you reckon we've got in this space?
Thousands.
Thousands of Ks, yeah. It seems. Yeah. Ian and the guys have been here for months, and yeah, you can see all the effort they've done and just how cool it is. They've got all these tracks that are going up here, running around. Yeah, wiring for ever really, you know. I mean, Waikato Sheds has been going for 17 years now, and this building's really setting us up for the next 50. You know, this is awesome. Like, it's huge, but every client we go to says, man, I wish I'd built a bigger shed. So Brian intentionally built a shed way bigger than we necessarily need right now. But hey, clients are loving us. We love building sheds, so there's plenty of room to expand.
Building for the future.
Build for the future. Awesome guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Thank you.